Hello and welcome to the Cashless Schools Explainer video. This video will show you how to download the Cashless Schools app, set up your account, onboard your children, and explore the latest features. Step 1. To get started, simply download the Cashless Schools app from the App Store or Play Store. Register with your phone number and verify with the OTP sent to you. Step 2. Link your child's card. Scan your child's card or enter the token number to link them to your account. You will see their name, school, and class. One tap and you're connected. Step 3. Fund the wallet. Top up your child's account using mobile money, card, or bank transfer right from the app. The funds go straight into their Cashless Schools wallet, ready to use. Step 4. Set limits and track spending. You can set daily or weekly spending limits and receive instant notifications every time your child makes a purchase. Now that you're all set up, here are some new features on the Cashless Schools app to explore. With our new USSD service, you can register, check your child's balance, top up, and even pay invoices, all without the internet. Use the app to view and pay invoices directly for meals, events, or even token fees. Got any questions? Meet Vera, your 24/7 support assistant. Whether it's linking a card, checking a transaction, or unlocking your child's token, Vera is always just a tap away in the app to answer your questions. Cashless Schools gives you peace of mind and helps your child build smart spending habits. With every tap, they learn, and with every alert, you stay informed. Cashless Schools by VeryPay. Smarter school payments for safer tomorrows.